Just doing circles with my freaking. Like, seriously, bro, we're gonna catch him fucking. I'm hooked up. I think. Maybe that was just this thing being really strong, but. Hey, am I recording? I have this fish. I got him, bro. I got him, bro. I got the hook in him.
Right at you. On the boat.
No, he's not. You can even get some water. Oh. Just get him. Yep, just put it on him. Did you say something about a double header? That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Dude, that's a good fish. No, I didn't.
Where are you at?
I'm back, right over there. Dude, we're gonna catch some fucking pigs, dude. Pigs. It's about to be pig hour, dude. Brandman found the spot. I haven't even found a fish here yet, but I know. I was looking at this on Google Earth, but I didn't know what it would look like and what tide. But this looks amazing. Like, seriously, bro, we're gonna catch some fucking. I'm hooked up. I think. Maybe that was just this thing being really strong, but. I got him, bro. I got the hook in him. Big red. It's a stud red. Dude, he literally did the same exact thing to me. Look at this fish. That's overslot. That's overslot though. That's 30 inch. That's 29, 30 inches.
That's a beautiful fish. I want a calf.
Just make sure we land this fish first. I felt that flick and I said, well, that's that same fish right there.
Dude, he thumped it hard.
Dude,
over my head, dude.
twice.
He hit it hard.
How we doing with that anchor line?
We're good.
I can't let him get under it. How far is that thing stretched out though?
Not very far. It's not that long.
Okay. This might be just a 28, 29.
Pull over here.
Like alongside the boat. Thank you, my good man. Nicely done.
Keep them up right there, remember? On that anchor line. It's not that
Thank
long.
you, bro.
but
Dude,
It's not that long, but you
Dude.
would have caught it right there.
I just forgot.
Yeah, that's
That a
nice.
little bit. Dude, that thing fucking, if you didn't tell me at that time, and my brain didn't say crank, 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 as fast as it did,
Yeah. No, that was a close one.
no, like, dude, I cranked him up and I got 2 feet at him. Like, I got him to rise up a ton. And if I hadn't got him up at that exact second, he'd be under the anchor. I completely forgot it was there. I've been waiting for this.
There are more over there, man. Get them up here. Just get them in here and get some more.
That's what it's all about, though.
Way over.
You got a tank. You can't
gained
hustle.
a lot of line.
You can't hustle these fuckers.
Sit down and take a drink.
Do your thing, dog.
You let me know when you're ready.
Come sit down and take a
to
drink.
go to the net.
Oh, yeah, you're good.
Then it came right at you. On the boat.
No, he's not. No, he's not.
Uh-oh. You got the anchor line and the motor. You better do. You want me to pull the
I
anchor
got
line?
him. I got him. Yeah, pull the anchor line.
We're gonna stand.
He's clear. He's clear.
All right. He's back there.
Well, I gotta tell you, Mr. Red, you did your best. Houdini act there.
Right under the boat.
And if there was something underneath us or that motor wasn't clearing, see how I have it in the up position? If I would have got stuck on that bitch in any way, hey, he's coming trying to get us again. Get that net ready. He's gonna try to do this again. Get him in the net. I got you. That's a beauty, man. That might even be 27. Wait for him to kind of do it for you. Wait for him to do that shit again and then pop his ass. You never know if it's a trout. There you go. Yeah, baby. They come at you a lot too. Nice red.
Probably a little over 20.
Maybe not though, dude. Did you see the black in his tail? I saw black in his
No,
tail.
he's a red.
Okay,
Seen his
okay.
face.
I seen his eyes.
seen his
I
face.
look into his eyes.
Looked into that big old red mouth.
Walk around if you have to, because he'll wrap your
Okay,
ass.
I'm coming at you. No, he's coming. Oh, no, he's
Dude,
not.
that's a good fish.
He just woke up.
You in? Dude, that's a beaut.
Coming to you, I
Come
gotta
on,
go see.
come on, come on, come on.
Oh, he's coming back around.
Dude, that's a beauty. That's a beauty. That's 25.
He's coming right at you. Coming right at you. He'll lay up when he's
In the true redfish fashion. True redfish fashion. This puppy is doing his thing.
Where you going? Come on, baby. Here. Nope. Nope. He said
All right,
nope,
bring him to
not
me.
yet.
Bring him to me. We got this. He's chilling now. You're good. You're good. Dude, that thing looks like a black drum, doesn't it?
He's dark.
That's what I said. Look at the black in his tail, or the blue.
Yeah, it's blue. I think it's really dark blue. Ooh, watch your
My
head.
bad, dude. I think we got a nose spotter. Dude, that thing's pretty as hell. No spot. We were trying to get this fish out of these mangroves for 20 minutes now. Do I have to? Not bad, right?
Alright. Do you think? don't you tell us what you're doing here?
This is Johnny on the spot. We're out here fishing with live bait in the Indian River. We got ourselves a nice redfish. It's the 4th of the day. Try not to sink my camera crew. AKA fish mate. Get up close, get up in the mix.
Nice.
I was wondering what that
Look
was.
at that, parasites.
Yeah, pull that thing. You can even get, let's try to get some water.
Oh,
Pick it up and just get him. Yep, just put it on him. Did you say something about a double header? That's a good fish. That's a good beast, red.
yeah,
Hey, give me a tap, just because, dude.
nice one.
That one sounds good too. He's peeling. Keep him to the right, and we'll be good.
Pretty tight, too.
I know he's gonna try to get you into the mangs.
He's been trying. I got him out of way.
I seen you,
But
bro.
He's gonna run again.
Yeah, he's gonna keep trying to do his thing. He's gonna try to get you under the boat, probably.
Going around. We're going around. Oh, he's coming back right. He comes up left.
That's top slot. So don't be too tight on that drag.
Nice fish.
Super nice fish. Try to keep him to the right if you can, but I understand. Shoulders, bro. That might be a little bigger than mine. Keep that line up in there so you don't catch it on nothing. Atta babe. Looks good on camera too. So stay tight on him. Nope. Dig that rod in the ground if you have to. There you go. Perfect, perfect. You're good, you're good. Loosen that drag a little. Alright, tighten it a little. Don't let him know you can get anywhere on you. Because he's gonna. This one's to the left. You can keep him under wraps.
Nice. Yeah, baby.
Give him a good wag. Aggressive little wag.
He got wet.
That's how we want it.
Go.
Yeah. Alright, you guys. That's it for the day. We're going to get out of here. We're sunburnt. We caught a ton of fish. We got the cooler slimed up, the boat slimed up. Time to wash her down. Use the last mullet we got on the line and go ahead and get the hell out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the subscribe button. Thanks for all the support. And we'll see you next week. Adios. Offshore. This is not so bad footage. Like if I could